Okay, we're going to do some examples of arc length and area of a sector. I'm going to look right here at number 2. Number 2, we've got the angle. Okay, so we're going to take angle over 360 equals x over the circumference, 2 pi r. So I need to know what the angle is. Well, the angle is 30, so I'm going to put that in that position. And then the radius is 13, so I'm going to put that right there. So I'm going to say 30 over 360 equals x over 2 pi 13. And then I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to multiply this first, and I'm going to get 2,449.2 equals 360x. I know that seems really big, but we are going to divide it by 360. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 360, and I'm going to get x equals 6.8 inches is my final answer for that arc length right there, 6.8 inches. Okay, let's do one more like that where you don't have a pretty picture. We're going to go down and do number 6. We've got the radius, we've got the angle. Remember, we're filling it in for angle over 360 equals x over 2 pi r. So my angle is 285, sticking it right here, over 360 equals x, my unknown, over 2 pi, and r is 14. So I'm going to put 14 right here. So I'm just going to multiply across, and I get 360x equals 25,057.2. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 360. This gives me 69.6 feet. 69.6 feet. Okay, let's do a couple of for area. So we're going to turn it over and look at the next page. First, because I want to do a picture first, we're going to look at number 12. Number 12, remember the formula again is angle over 360 equals x over pi r squared, because I'm looking for area this time, pi r squared. This is my r. This is my angle, and then I'm going to plug them in. So I get 315 over 360 equals x over pi 14 squared. I'm going to multiply these together, and I'm going to just do it all in once instead of in parts, and I get 193,863. So I get 193,863.6 equals 360x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 360, and I get x equals 538.8 inches squared, because it's area. All right, we're going to go back and look at number 8, because I wanted to do one with a picture and then one without for area. So we are looking at number 8. So again, I want to do my angle over 360 equals x over pi r squared. So here's my angle, 300. So I'm going to replace that over 360 equals x, my unknown, over pi, r is 12 squared. I'm going to multiply all of these together first, and that is going to give me 135,648 equals 360x. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 360. This ends up giving me is x equals 377 yards squared. Okay, so you should be able to go ahead and try the rest of those. Remember, I gave you the answer keys as well. And will help you with the next quiz.